gonna tell you again. Stop pushing me.
Settle down, tramps.
What did he do?
He accosted some kid in a donut shop.
That punk was rude and lazy to boot. He needed a little attitude adjustment.
Yeah, well, you just tell it to the judge.
You can't keep me here.
Yeah?
There's no prison maid that can hold me. I knew Houdini. You wait till my lawyer gets back from lunch.
Good luck, old man.
You mark my words. I'll be out of here by sunset. I've got friends in high places. What the hell are you staring at? All right, boys. Who's got an escape plan? No plan? No plan. What kind of an outfit is this? Don't any of you guys want to get out of here? Okay, laugh. I'm getting out of here. 1, 2 hours max. I busted out of prisons designed by the most creative mind.
What are you in for, old-timer? Boring someone to death?
Oh, hey, you don't believe me, huh? This cracker box ain't nothing. The Germans, now they built prisons. When I was serving in the Belgian army during the Great War, I was captured just north of the Somme after a very terrible battle. Many of my friends were dead and some of them missing. And I was lucky, but I didn't know how long it would last.
Remy!
Henri!
Emile, have you seen Remy or any of the others?
No, we are the only ones left.
What are those?
Officers' uniforms. There is a captain for me and a lieutenant for you.
They're French. Where did you get them?
Don't ask.
When the officers who own these wake up, they'll have you court-martialed.
They won't wake up, Henri. They are dead. The guards were throwing them out. Now put it on. I hear commissioned officers are treated much better where we are going.
Where are we going?
Round!
We will know soon enough.
Round! Round!
I'm Lieutenant Pierre Blanc from Paris.
Captain Francois Toussaint from Lyon. At last I outrank you. Maybe I will have you shine my boots, yes?
Don't count on it. New recruit.
Maybe this will be the war which does not end. Maybe it will just go on forever.
There's our chins.
French artillery. Very impressive.
As good as the Germans. Come on, we gotta get to those trees.
What about the guards? They'll be looking for us.
They're probably all dead. Come on, we're 100 yards from those woods.
Umdrehen! Hände hoch! Das wär's, ihr Schweine! Rauf!
Double barbed wire. Guard towers. At least it's not Dusterstadt.
What's that?
You don't know about Dusterstadt? It's a medieval castle on the Danube. More of a dungeon, really. It's where they send all the bad apples. Any ideas?
Not yet, but it's only our first day.
Halt! Oder ich schieße! Halt!
Explain.
We're playing catch. My ball.
Catch. With whom?
With me. I'm sorry.
I swear. I'll get you, Benny. Thank you. I'm Captain Jean Bonnet.
Lieutenant Pierre Blanc.
Captain Francois Toussaint.
So, how'd you like our vacation resort?
I'm disappointed. They advertised a beach.
With bathing beauties.
Well, you know Germans always skimping on the extras.
What were you doing?
Come with me. The new men, Colonel. Captain Toussaint and Lieutenant Blanc.
Welcome, gentlemen. Did you get a new measurement?
I estimate another 15 feet to the first wire. Now we have two problems. First, we're out of tunnel supports. We've used all the wood available, even bed slats. Any more and the guards will be onto us. And second, we've run out of places to store dirt from the tunnel.
So, it's hopeless to continue.
Exactly. There is nothing more that we can do.
Men, please. Do you have a solution, Captain Benny?
We dig the remaining 20 feet in one night. And we dump the dirt right here, on the floor.
But what about the tunnel supports?
We won't need them. The tunnel will hold together for a few hours. We'll dig in shifts. We'll dig so fast, we'll blast out before the tunnel collapses.
Who do you have in mind to do this? Blasting.
Me. And anyone else who's up to it.
I'll do it.
Are you crazy?
It'll work.
This is insanity.
That's what they say about every great idea at first.
$10 feet to go. What? We've gone farther than that.
No, this is accurate.
I'll take over.
There's got to be another way.
Our only chance is through this dirt.
feet to go.
We've reached the end.
Tell them to pop up.
Yes, sir.
Ready? Here goes. Periscope. I hate to tell you this, but we're 5 feet short.
I don't understand.
We're between the fences.
My calculations were accurate.
Not accurate enough.
That's 5 feet. We should be past the second wire.
It's time, gentlemen. Not you two. You go after these other men.
We dug the tunnel.
You dug the last 20 feet. These men dug the first 100 feet.
He's right.
I don't care. Without the last 20 feet, there'd be no tunnel.
Back up, Lieutenant. Good evening, Captain Hines.
You look uncomfortable, Benny.
Hey.
Why are you uncomfortable? Hmm?
It must be that smell, Captain Hines. The smell of Germany, the armpits of Europe.
I will have you in isolation for the rest of your life. Menschen. Welcome back, Lieutenant. Good.
Lieutenant Devereaux, 30 days in isolation. Captain Bourdonnais, your second attempt, 60 days.
You know what they say, Commandant? Practice makes perfect.
90 days.
See you in 3 months.
Lieutenant Blanc, a man who does not waste time. You arrive here at 4 p.m. 12 hours later, you are climbing out of a tunnel. Remarkable. I have taken measures to limit your career as an escape artist.
I don't expect to dig out of isolation, Commandant.
Who said anything about isolation? I have arranged for your transfer to the maximum security prison at Dusterstadt.
What?
Eventually, Lieutenant, it becomes clear when a prisoner is incorrigible. Your records show 4 escape attempts at other prisons and now 5. That makes you an incorrigible, Lieutenant Blanc.
Wait, there's been a mistake. I'm not him.
You're not who, Lieutenant?
I'm not Lieutenant Blanc. My name's Henry Defense. I'm a corporal in the Belgian army.
And I'm Kaiser Wilhelm. Don't insult my intelligence. Get him out of here. I hope you like your new home, Lieutenant.
Let me be brief. You cannot tunnel. The castle is built upon granite. If you try to disguise yourself as a German soldier, you will be shot as a spy. If you attempt to bribe my men, you will be shot as a corrupting influence on German morale. I don't want any trouble from you. East Castle.
So with the advancements in new technology,
packages. Gentlemen, control yourselves. We'll open the mail after the lecture.
Introduce yourself, Lieutenant.
Hello. I'm Lieutenant Blanc.
Have a seat, Lieutenant Blanc.
I'm lecturing on medieval military tactics.
Why medieval tactics?
I beg your pardon?
Well, if French and English generals would have studied the American Civil War, we'd have beaten the Germans by now.
A bold statement, Lieutenant. Explain further, if you please.
Well, that was the first war that armies used modern technology to full advantage. The cavalry charge had become obsolete. Even Ulysses S. Grant realized that the future of war lay not in the open field, but in the...
In trenches, yes. Well, you know a good deal about this subject, Lieutenant. But if you're in Dusterstadt, you must know a good deal about something else. Escaping from German prisons.
Do you have plans?
We may. You speak with an accent, Lieutenant.
I do?
Yes. I can't make it out. There was a rumor circulating that the commandant was releasing spies into the prison. Germans impersonating French and English officers. I wonder what we do if we exposed one of them.
We would kill him.
So tell me, Lieutenant, where are you from in France?
Paris?
So am I. Name the 3 roads leading from Paris to Versailles.
The Rue de Napoleon. The traitor.
Spy! Oh, wait. He's not German. Who won the World Series in 1912?
What?
Just answer the question.
Boston Red Sox.
He's not German. He's American. Is your rank also fake, Lieutenant?
Okay, I enlisted in the Belgian army. They were the only ones that would take me without asking questions about my age. I'm a corporal.
Ah, a corporal. And where did you get the jacket? Did you know you could be shot for stealing it?
The previous owner wasn't going to need it.
I understand. Come on, let's open our mail. Gentlemen. So, here you are, Jean-Paul. André, Etienne. There you are, Yuri, all the way from St. Petersburg.
Remember, save your string.
What are you doing with all this string?
A Russian superstition. Put the string from a gift in your pocket and you will get many more.
Da.
Hello. Lambert, Royal Flying Corps. I'm in charge of the infirmary there. You must be the new man, yes?
I came in yesterday. Nice to meet you.
Right. Listen, just so that you know, I'm not actually a doctor. I studied medicine for a couple of years, but then I switched over to the law, yes? But I can give you some advice, though. Don't eat the meat. It's rotten, and you don't need it anyway. Also, boil all your drinking water. That way you'll save yourself a lot of stomach problems, if you know what I mean. And if there are any other problems that you have, you can just have a word with my 2 orderlies over there, Simon and Ian. Okay?
Thanks.
Jolly good. Carry on. Ah, Cabinet de Gaulle, you must let me have a look at that leg of yours. If you neglect it, it's going to drop off.
I've fooled a lot of people with my French.
No doubt you have. It is excellent.
How did you know I was American?
My father is a professor of philosophy. During my youth, I met many American scholars. All spoke French fluently, but none perfectly. I recognize your game at once.
Why are you in Dusterstadt?
I refuse to submit to captivity. I'll get out of here. It's only a matter of time.
How?
Does it matter? When a man accepts bondage to the Germans, he accepts death.
Do you hate the Germans?
They are a natural enemy of France. We fought them in 1870, we fight them now, and this, I can guarantee you, Corporal, before this century is over, we will fight them again. The art of war is changing. It is up to us to change with it. In 4015, a small band of English soldiers wiped out the flower of French knighthood in one afternoon. How?
The English longbow. It could pierce the knight's armor. They were sitting ducks.
Mark my words, Corporal. The next great war will not be won with superior men. It will be won with superior machines, tanks, and airplanes.
In here, please. Hello? Oui, I want to ask you something.
What?
Are you
Cowboy? What?
Like in the moving pictures, Americans are cowboys. You are American, so you must be cowboy, no?
Well, not really. I can ride a horse, but I...
Oh, really?
And the lasso. Can you make the lasso and rope the Bronco Buster?
Well, I suppose if I had to.
Hey, cowboy!
Is there some point to this?
Come here. Please.
We want you to make the lasso and rope something. Something really important.
Like what?
Like that.
You're joking. You're not joking. You're out of your minds. You want me to make a lasso and rope that spike? Where am I gonna get a rope that long? Where in the hell did you pull the string from all those packages?
Can you do it?
This makes things different.
So tell me, Corporal, if you weren't fighting this war, what dream will you be following?
I guess I'd be at home, going to high school.
Where did you get captured?
At the Somme. We charged a hill and took it. The counterattack was deadly. Almost everyone died. And you?
Verdun. I was knocked unconscious. Germans found me in the mud. That's where I got this. And that is Dinan. Ménil-les-Yeux.
De Gaulle's body is now the map of France.
So tell me, Corporal, about your escape plans. Don't lie to me. I know you've been working on something. You're the devious type.
Maybe I have.
What is it? I can save you a lot of time and effort.
Something with the Russians?
Possibly.
Those crazy Russians. They have got a new plan every day. Last week, they wanted me to help them build an airplane. I wouldn't waste your time with them, Corporal.
Are you ready?
Well, I wanted to talk to you about something.
A new idea for our escape?
Well, not exactly. I'm not going.
Why?
Oh, you have talked to the British and the French. We know what they say about us.
That we're crazy Russians, eh? That will get you killed.
Well, come here. Come. Come.
2 years. It took us 2 years to make this. Look, there's the outside parapet. You can do it. Then down the outside wall, then freedom.
All right. All right, I'll do it.
wieder einen Brief von ihm gekriegt.
Ja, was sagt sie denn?
I'll go first. Why you? I made the rope. You made the half of it. Stop arguing. We'll go at the same time.
That's not a good idea. This rope won't hold you both.
I made this with my own hands. It's strong enough.
Ja, es scheint das nicht so. Ein oder zwei Kilos.
Es ist immer dasselbe. Dort drüben, in der Ecke.
Was war das denn?
Weiß ich auch nicht.
Ich kann nicht sehen.
Keine Ahnung. Irgendwas da passiert.
Each new prisoner to Sturstadt is told of the difficulty, the impossibility of escape. It is curious how often I am disappointed by the lack of communication. I hope these visual aids will make things more clear. Dusterstadt was chosen to hold you not because of its aesthetics, not because of its geographic location, but because it cannot be escaped from. I hope in future we can avoid more painful lessons.
Poor bastards. You were with them, weren't you?
Yeah, I was. Now what should we do?
What we always do. Keep trying.
It's no use.
Don't say that. Never give up.
I'm not giving up, I'm just facing the truth. The commandant's right.
Quiet. I won't stand negative talk.
The only way out of here is in a coffin.
Well, it's just a small graveyard on the very edge of the town. Before the war, they used to use it to bury the indigent and the insane.
And that's the only place they go.
Oh, yes, as far as I know, yes.
Who does the burying?
What do you mean? The actual digging?
Yeah.
Well, my two orderlies, Simon and Ian.
Can they be trusted?
Yes, of course they can.
Can they get away with it?
I think so.
There won't be much margin for error.
Yes, I understand. But the truth is, the orderlies never bury the bodies 6 feet deep. It's much too much hard work. They're lucky if they bury them half that depth.
And the guards don't notice?
No. They're nowhere near the graveyard. They're far too superstitious. They wait with the trucks. Stop!
Sorry, old man.
I hate you.
Gracias, Angel. Muchas gracias.
Over there.
Sir, get your knees down. I can't. It's too short. Sorry, sir, but you must. Oh!
Wait. What? Did you cut the nails down?
Of course, sir. See, sir, like thumbtacks. One good push from inside and they'll come undone.
Okay.
So, what do you say we bury some stiffs?
Nine, down.
What?
Get in the boat, he's taking you back.
But we've got to dig the graves.
No more digging, Go, get in the boat.
What do you mean, no more digging?
We are not going to bury them.
If you're not going to bury them, what are you going to do with them?
Burn them.
Oh!
Captain de Gaulle! Did you hear them? They're not going to the graveyard. They're going to a crematorium. Look at the top of this coffin! Captain, damn it, answer me. We've got to get out of here.
I was raised a Catholic. I should say something.
Get it over with.
Dear God, let this man go to heaven.
thought you'd never hear me.
Come on. Don't run, okay?
I ran across the German countryside as though the devil himself were on my tail. At last, I spotted this lovely farmhouse among the hills.
Officer! Get this old guy out of here.
I went straight...
All right, knock it off!
We don't put up with troublemakers, old man. Let's go, huh? You can wait for your lawyer out front.
Told you boys I'd be out in an hour.